Hello. What is APIs by two beautiful girls? Introduction. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, APIs have become an essential component of software development. In this short story, we join two friends, Lisa and Sarah, as they discuss APIs over coffee. Lisa, who has recently started a job in tech, explains the concept to Sarah and gives her an example of how APIs work. Through their conversation, we get a glimpse into the importance of APIs and their potential applications. Let's get started. Lisa and Sarah were catching up over coffee when Lisa started talking about her new job in tech. "It's all about APIs now," she said. "I had no idea what they were before I started, but they're basically like a set of rules that let different software applications talk to each other." Sarah looked intrigued. "Really? That sounds interesting. Can you give me an example?" Lisa thought for a moment. "Sure. Like when you use your Facebook account to log into another app. Facebook's API makes that possible by sharing your login info securely with the other app." Sarah nodded, starting to see the possibilities. "So APIs make it easier for different apps to work together and share information?" "Exactly," Lisa replied. "And they're becoming more and more important in all kinds of industries. It's like they're the glue that holds everything together." Sarah smiled, impressed. "Wow, I had no idea. Thanks for explaining it to me." Lisa grinned back. "Any time. You know me, always happy to talk about tech." Sarah asked, "Give me an example as well." "Sure. Here's a simple example of using an API in Python to fetch data from the Open Weather Map service. In this example, we use the requests library to send a GET request to the Open Weather Map API, passing in the location, in this case, New York City, and an API key. The response is returned in JSON format, which we can then parse and extract the temperature and weather description. Finally, we print out the results to the console. The end. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Data to Info channel. And always remember, data makes you rich.